Hey everybody, I'm Tim from Chasing the Joneses, and in my opinion, one of the best RV channels out there. Today we are reviewing one of probably what I think is probably the best tool for an RVer, a boat enthusiast, or even just at home for general stuff to be able to do. And it is this. The Ryobi Brushless 600 PSI EZClean Cleaner Kit. It comes with a charger and a 4-amp battery. It also comes with the brushless, of course, I just showed you that before. The power washer kit. It comes with the wand with 3 different stages. You can do a rinse, you can do a 15-degree spray, and also you can do what is called a turbo, and it's kind of like runs in a circular motion, if you will. It also comes with some attachments in a bag. One attachment is so that you can connect it directly to a hose. Another attachment so you can connect it to a cleaner bottle. It also comes with this hose so that you can actually put this hose down into a bucket, which we're going to do today, and use the water out of the bucket to be able to clean something, to spray something, so you don't necessarily have to hook it up to a hose and drag the big hose out, fight with the hose trying to get it to where you want it to be. But you can just fill up a couple gallons of water and stick this little thing right down there, and it comes with this basically about a 20-foot hose, and you can go to cleaning. And this is a great time to tell you that Ryobi is not a sponsor of our channel, nor are we getting paid for any of the products that we show here. But hey Ryobi, if you're listening, we don't mind. You can contact us anytime. We'd love to be able to do that with you. But we just want to bring you this great review of a tool that I think is really an added benefit because it's lightweight, it's easy to carry in your RV, boat, accessories, keep it home, whatever it is. So with this thing, you can actually clean things like the roof of your RV, which we're going to be doing in a second. You can clean the awnings of your RV. You can clean your chairs. You can clean your outside rug. You can wash your car. You can wash your rig. You can use it at home to do many of the multiple of things that you would need to do at home. Now the setup is quite simple. You have this box right here, and it opens up right here, and this is where the battery goes. So we take the battery, we just stick the battery in there just like any other time, but this seals off the battery so it doesn't get wet inside there. So that's a really good thing that they did. The other part of this is this little wand, and this is very simple to also put on. You just take it and you line up the arrows. There's an arrow right there, and then there's an arrow right there on this. You line up the arrow, push it in, hear it snap, and that part is done. The next part we have is the hose. And as I said earlier, I'm using this out of a bucket today, and so I'm just going to fill the bucket up with water and use it. We take this end right here. We take this right here. We plug it in, and basically this is ready to go. I'm going to get a bucket of water, and I'm going to take it up on the roof and take you with me. So we're up on the roof, and we've resealed the roof, but over time, these last few weeks, it's been really kind of crazy. A lot of cottonwood falling, all that stuff. I had to get up here and clear off the vent to the air conditioner a couple times, and so we're up here. I want to get it sprayed off before we take off. So I took this right here, and you just stick it down inside the bucket. I could have hooked it to a hose, but that would have been a whole nother thing. I wanted to show you about the bucket first, and then it's going to take a minute. Once you start, press that button. It's going to take a minute for the water to kind of filter through. So I will tell you to make sure that you have a good battery charged up and ready to go. So here we go. All right, so here's how it's working. long as it's got a supply of water and a good battery, it's gonna do it nicely here. Okay, the after product. Got it all cleaned off, pretty good. Probably could use another coat, but look at that. This little power washer that we have is really great at doing the work that you need to do in an RV. I'd probably say this is one of probably the best tools that an RV, full-time RVer, or even part-time RVer could probably use. The Ryobi power washer, battery-operated power washer. So just when I was up on the roof, I thought I'd fill up the bucket here real quick and just kind of rinse off some of the stuff off the car. And you can see how versatile it is. So you can go from the roof of your RV to your car and wash your car, wash the roof of your RV, all in one easy to do thing. So listen, I am not getting paid by a Ryobi or anything like that to show this. I just wanted to test it out and to show you and to just tell you about it. It's a great tool to have for an RVer because it's so versatile. You can rinse, you can have a turbo wash if you want to, you could have a spray. Those are the three settings, and I think that it's really good. I've used it a couple times now, and I am impressed with it. I think it's a good machine for being able to do things like rinse off your awning and to wash your outdoor carpet, or wash your car, or wash the roof of your RV. So it has a lot of different things that you can do with it, and it's not that terribly expensive. Well, that's it for the Ryobi power washer and me, and so we will see you down the road.